the Regional English Language Officer based at the US Embassy in Belgrade. And from the regional office in Belgrade, we work with US embassies from Estonia to Albania, 17 countries. It's one of 25 regional offices all around the world, funded by the US Department of State. And through these offices, we provide exchange opportunities, in-country professional development opportunities, free online professional development for teachers, and materials as well. So through this, we're trying to work together with local host institutions to support English language teachers, and also it provides us an opportunity to have outreach not only to the teachers, but to their students. So for me, over the last few years and in the coming years, I really am focusing on critical thinking. I think it's more important than ever, and particularly in a very complicated media landscape. And when students and teachers have access to unlimited sources of information, it's particularly important that we know how to curate and evaluate sources, and that we're able to have tools to teach our students those skills as well. I think it's really important that as teachers, first of all, we try to become as comfortable with new technology as we can, but I think we can also acknowledge our students' experience, and that they may know more than us, and that that's okay, we can learn from them. I think that really gives students a great sense of involvement and active participation in their own education. But I think the one thing that we do know more than our students is usually where to find good information and how to identify reliable information. So our students may be much better at using the physical tool, but we know more about the quality, and we can help them both to be more efficient in their time, but also to be more critical consumers of information, and to make good choices and to pass things on that are reliable rather than to pass things on